Oh my God, look how beautifully curly my hair looks. I love it. I love it. It has a shine. My hair feels nourished. Hi everyone, it's June Penny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get these beautiful ringlet curls. I just love curls, and if you're a curly girl, I'm sure you have problems with having your hair all frizzy and matted looking. I go through this all the time. I found the perfect products to make your hair absolutely beautiful, like really like springy looking curls. So if you're interested in this, just keep watching. And before we get on to the next clip, just give this old video a thumbs up if you like me and my channel. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and use that bell notification for upcoming videos in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have discovered this product and the price is amazing. The price was $6.99 and I got this at my local beauty supply, and it's Palmer's olive oil formula. It is amazing. It's a curl cream. As you can see, I used quite a bit. It smells so refreshing. It's olive oil curl extend hair pudding. It has black Jamaican castor oil. You know that I'm a huge fan of that castor oil. So this is really, really good for your hair. So we're going to be using this today. We're going to be using Beach Babe, which I love, and this is a texturizing sea salt spray. So I don't know if you remember back in the day when I used to go to the beach, and when your hair would get that spray of sea salt, I would always go home and my hair had these most gorgeous curls. So now you don't have to go to the beach to get the sea salt spray. You can get it here. I love it. You need a comb. You need microfiber gloves. Very, very important. I am going to have links to all these things down below if you guys want to get them. If you can't find them in your local beauty supply, get them through Amazon. And you're going to need a diffuser. So this is like the traditional diffuser, but today we are using this diffuser. I don't know if you can see it. It has like 2 rows of these little finger thingies. I love this. So I am going to show you exactly how to do this. Keep watching. Okay, so to get started, the first thing you don't want to do is dry your hair with a towel, because the towel will make your hair frizzy. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, no, I had no problems. But let me just tell you, if you have microfiber, either a microfiber towel or gloves, you are never going to use a towel again. No joke. I'm just going to spray a little bit, get a little moistened again. Just a little bit, just a little bit. You're going to take your olive oil curl cream, take some like that, and I'm going to look in the mirror over here. I really don't like going on top of my scalp, only because this cream is not made to like regrow your hair. So I don't want to put any type of cream, anything that is going to clog the pores in my head, the follicles, the hair follicles, because I am trying so hard. Make sure you do these ends. I'm trying so hard not to do that, so I don't want to, I don't want to do that. Okay, so the next side, little bit of cream. Okay, now that I have the curling cream in my hair, what I'm going to do is wait, let me close this. I am going to take my Beach Babe texturing sea salt spray. And I'm going to spray this in my hair. This is going to make the curls beautiful. And again, I'm staying away. Don't mind the faces that I'm making, because I'm like, okay, just a little bit. Maybe I overdid it. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to comb through this hair, just like so. I'm gonna get to blow dry now, okay? So I was using a diffuser like this, and it was doing the job, but I wanted something that would really like pull up my roots and dry the roots faster, and so that my hair would be curlier. And so I found this, and I love it, and it's universal. So it goes on most hair dryers. And you don't want to put it on the highest setting, and you don't want to put it on the hottest setting, because that can damage your hair. So put it on like a medium, and yeah, and every once in a while you can do a cool shot, which is very, very good for your hair too. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is, because it has the little teeth here, I'm going to oh my God, look how beautifully curly my hair looks. Oh, I love it. I love it. It has a shine. My hair feels nourished. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like afterwards. It looks really, really curly. I love it. I love how they're like bouncy curls. Look at those curls. I'm so excited. And the best part is when you go to wash this out, because of the olive oil in the curl cream, your hair is so nourished. So you know I'm all about hair and hair care. So this is amazing to me. I love it. I will have all the descriptions down below, but now I'm going to put in my No Track Frontal and get some makeup on, and then I'll be right back. So all of you know that I am in love with my No Track Frontals. These are human hair extensions. Don't mind this one, it's really, really old, but they snap in. They are amazing. You don't feel them. I am going to have the link down below where you can purchase them. You can email me, and I will send you a color chart and a price list. So let me install this into my hair really, really quick, because I'm not going to go out like this. I refuse to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hair. Look at those curls. I'm loving it. I am loving it. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Make sure that's back. I'm doing this through the camera, not not through a mirror, so let's hope it works. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna go look in the mirror. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am, guys, with my bouncy curls and my No Track Frontal in, as well as all these gray hairs. Don't mind them. So yeah, so now I'm going to put a little makeup on, and I will be right back. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I am going to be doing a lot of videos in the future for hair care, straightening, you know, making your hair curly, making it wavy or crimpy. So yeah, if there's anything that you want to see me do to my hair, then just post it down below. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And like I said, give it a big old thumbs up. It helps my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.